The Dell WD19 is a wireless docking station for Dell Latitude laptops from 2019 onward. It uses WGIG, 60 GHz wireless, to connect your peripherals. First, ensure your laptop has the Dell Wireless Dock Profile installed via the Dell Optimizer app, version 4.1 or later. Next, connect the WD19 to power using the included AC adapter and plug in your peripherals like monitors and USB devices. The power LED will turn white or blue when ready, which takes about 10 seconds. If it doesn't power on, try holding the power button for 10 seconds to reset it. Once the WD19 is powered, pair it with your laptop. Open Dell Optimizer or go to Windows Settings, then Devices, Bluetooth, and Devices. Select Add Device, then Wireless Display and Dock, and choose your WD19. You might need to confirm a PIN from the station's label. If you encounter issues, ensure your Windows is updated to version 11, 24H2, or later for driver compatibility. Firmware updates, latest is 1.2.8 from July 2025, can fix power-on stability issues. Check for obstructions that might interfere with the WGIG signal.